This movie will explain the notes field and how to enter events. One of the useful features of Jyoti Star is that you can keep quite a large amount of notes. This chart of the King of Jordan, which is a particularly interesting chart, was imported from Astro Databank, and it comes in this version of the software with all the biographies. So, for example, here we have a whole lot of information about the King of Jordan. But you could just as well have, typed your own information in here. You can keep all kinds of notes, such as even things about, appointments with the client and so forth. So the notes field is very useful, and so is the events field. The events here is this thing, and there's a button in the main screen also for editing events. So if we click the events button, we see we can add events. So in his case, he became king, and we put in the description of the event, and then we can tab down or click down here, and we want to put the date. Now notice if we type 2 digits, it'll automatically move to the next field because it knows we're done. So as always, we're trying to minimize the number of keystrokes, and one can put in a time. There is a time. We click add, and the information appears here. And you can collect up to 39 events here, and this is particularly useful for rectification. And in the main screen you can see all the events and the dashes at which they occurred. So if you start adjusting the time, you see all the dashes change simultaneously, which is a very powerful technique. So if we click OK, it'll automatically save what we entered. It's updated the chart.